Okay, let's create this image. Halftone for black t-shirt. First change image size. Image size width 15 inches. Resolution 300 dpi. Okay. Let's make this one duplicate. Image duplicate. Okay. Now change this image to grayscale. Image mode grayscale. Discard. Change levels. Image adjustment levels. Okay, make halftone image mode bitmap. Okay, 300 dpi. Okay, frequency 30, angle 22, round. Okay. Okay. Now select all, copy, go back to original layer. Okay, add layer mask, alt click layer mask, paste, click layer again. See what look like after. Transparent look. And black layer, solid color, black. Bring black layer down. Okay. Now select layer mask again. Filter other minimum 0.5 roundness. Okay. Okay, it's done. Thank you for watching my video.